Yo, what is up guys? Nick back with another video, and today I have an unboxing for you. It is the Yeezy 700 in the OG colorway, and if you guys are wondering how I picked up this shoe, you can go check out my live cop. It'll be up on the screen and in the description below. But without any further ado, smack that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the Supreme Spring Summer 2018 season. And let's go ahead and move over to the unboxing table.
Most of them gon' talk, I know. Most of them gon' fall, I know.
Alrighty guys, I got the Yeezy 700s right here, and we are at the unboxing table. It's official now. As you can see, I got the Adidas tag right here. Get a close up on that. And now these did initially release earlier last year through Yeezy Supply. They were sitting on the website for a good 3 hours or something. It was a pre-order, and they weren't going to ship them out until like I think 6 months later. It was, the pre-order was in the spring, I'm pretty sure, and they weren't going to ship them out until like November. But as people started to get the pre-orders in, other people like Hypebeast started wanting them because Kanye West was wearing them. So they started paying outrageous prices, like almost upwards of like $1,500 for a pair of shoes, which is absolutely crazy. I can't even get through this tape. Goodness. But now these did restock for $300 on Yeezy Supply and Adidas US, so that's pretty cool. So a lot of Hypebeasts got their orders now, and not a lot of people willing to pay resale outrageously as they were before, just because there was a restock and now there's more pairs on the market. Now here we go, opening up from Adidas, and then here's your first look at the 700 box for the Wave Runner OG. So let's go ahead, get this box, and get into the good box, the Yeezy box. Alright, so right here we do have the boost on here because there's boost in the sole, and right here on this side we got the Yeezy Boost 700s along with made by Adidas and the Adidas emblem down at the bottom. Now for some reason these do not have, like usually sometimes they have adidas.com/Yeezy, and that's just because initially these things released through Yeezy Supply, not on Adidas, and Kanye or Adidas wasn't just going to change all of their boxes to put adidas.com/Yeezy. So let's go ahead and slide this bad boy open. Then we get our look at the Yeezy Wave Runner 700s. Gonna go ahead and take this box all the way up just cause, get it out of the way. Alright, here we go. We got the wrapping paper, normal Yeezy wrapping paper. Alright. Now like I said, these are some pretty clunky shoes right here. We got the Wave Runners right here. I got them in size 11 through adidas.com. Pretty awesome. Got 3M hints everywhere. Alright, so let's go ahead and get out the other shoe, see the other shoe in person, and get this box out of the way. So as you can see, we got the boost down at the bottom of the sole, along with this wave looking outsole right here. And then on the sole, actually, there's an outer piece so the boost doesn't get as dirty and it stays intact longer. We got these little orange little circles on both pairs of the shoes. Now both of these are 3M, so if you take a picture with flash, they are going to flash up, along with the 3M hints in between this leather right here. And we also got 3M hints where the laces lace up. We got one down at the bottom and near the top of the laces. And another little cool thing that Adidas did, they have the 3 stripes inside of this mesh. Now it is 3M inside there, so you really can't see it like when you're just rocking the shoe in normal daylight, but when someone snaps a picture of you with the 3M on there, you'll see it right there. So that's pretty cool. We got suede accents all over the shoe. Probably not going to be trying this on. It is just an unboxing. Probably going to be reselling this on StockX, but it's pretty cool. I'll show you guys the insole just to legit check yours. On the insole, it is for right here on the top of it. We got just Adidas, no Yeezy, I don't think. Yeah, no Yeezy branding at all on the sole. I'm not too sure on the original pre-order for the Yeezy Wave Runners if there was Yeezy on the insole, but on the restock there's obviously not any Yeezy on the inner pull-out thing for your foot. But that's about it for the shoe. Of course, we got the suede up on the top, then we got mesh all around here. We got some crazy colors everywhere. This shoe really pops during the day along with the night with the 3M. So that's about it. That's all I got. Guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing of the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners in the OG colorway. I've been getting a whole lot of support lately. A lot of people hitting that sub button. I think I got about 50 subs in the last week and a half, so I'm very thankful for that. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I got a whole lot more great content coming your way, and I'm trying to improve my content. So stick with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.